U.S. Saudi Arabia, I mean, obviously there have been informal agreements and so on throughout the years. Mike, do you see something formal on the cards?
Well, I don't think that we're going to see any new cartel that the U.S. or Saudi would enter into. We are very concerned that taking one cartel like OPEC, which we've argued against for many, many years, and replacing it with a new cartel, that certainly wouldn't be the policy solution that API would advocate for.
But if we do expect one cartel to continue to exist, in other words, if we want some kind of production curtailments or control in the Middle East, is it inevitable that that will include America?
Well, I don't know about that. I mean, this is an industry that has relied very heavily on the free market. We think free market solutions are the best answer as this crisis continues. So we wouldn't be in favor of new sanctions or new price control regimes. We think ultimately those kinds of solutions, all they would do is prolong this kind of crisis when it's the market that should really be determining what the right prices are in this industry.
What is the right price? I mean, what would you accept at this point, Mike, given that we're down to, what, $23 a barrel right now?
Yeah, I mean, what we know is that nobody's making money at $23 a barrel, no matter what basin you're operating in. So one of the things that we've really asked of this administration is to get the markets moving again. The best way to do that is through diplomatic solutions and engaging with our allies in Saudi in particular to help rebalance the market, I think, is the best solution out of this. The American producers continue to be some of the most efficient producers in the world. We have incredible resource in many different basins in the United States. And I'm confident that once we get to the end of this, American producers are going to continue to show their efficiency within this industry.
I'm confused, though, Mike, about this notion that you prefer a free market. The free market has oil at $23 a barrel at the moment without any controls on production. It suggests to me that you want controls on production, but for Middle East producers only.
No. That's what OPEC is, and that's not something that we favor at all. We absolutely favor a free market here. No one's making money at this price. Saudi is losing money. Russia is losing money. This is not long-term good for anybody in this industry, certainly not Saudi and Russia producers either. Their budgets mainly are really based on being petrostates, being dependent on crude prices. So we think that the markets will rebalance themselves in the longer term, and we know that the world is going to continue to demand this resource for many, many years to come.